Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. If you want to take your Facebook content creation to the next level, you have to enable professional mode so that you can earn money from Facebook. Here's how to do it. Open your Facebook app, click on profile at the bottom right corner. Now on your profile, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. It will take you to profile settings. Now you have to click on turn on professional mode. Anyone can follow you, get paid for your content, see content insights, get discovered with tagging. Right here, you can now turn on professional mode. So that's how you turn on professional mode on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.